for making hangings, I'm going to use these two shapes. They look absolutely amazing when they turn out and dry out really well. So yeah, I'm going to use these. Now let me just show you how my flowers have turned out. Okay, so here I've used adenium and bougainvillea and they look absolutely gorgeous. Can you see these? Yeah, they look so pretty, so beautiful, and I'm super happy because it gives such an emotional attachment, like having your own flowers in your from your balcony and creating these hangings. So yeah, definitely. Then I'm going to have these clear gold from our store, and of course our mixed media glitters. Here my resin and hardener mix is already ready, and I'm already wearing my mask because I'm inside a room and resin hardener mix is ready, so I had to take all these precautions. Now okay, let me just first put up the flowers in this one. So in one I'm going to have my adenium flower, okay, and in one I'm going to have this bougainvillea. These are like, when you dry them out, they are so delicate, so you guys need to be really careful that how you are. See, this is how they break, so just be careful with them. Okay, I'll just put it upside down, and here I'm going to put one more flower. Okay, now I hope you guys can realize that this is a heart shape. It has a small area. This is a circular shape. This is a bigger area. So putting up my flowers is easier in this one rather than this one. So, but then I can easily put up these flowers very comfortably. So there is nothing that you cannot do in this. But this is just for your information, I'm telling you guys. Okay, now here of course I need to put up some of the stones now. Okay, and I will just sprinkle some of the glitters. Now before sprinkling my glitter, I'll just pull these up and sprinkle it. Okay, and even if it, like, some of the stones go beneath that, it's absolutely fine because it should look natural, it should look beautiful end of the day. And I'm going to add some more golden here. Okay, now there is something which I love doing. Let me just show you what I love doing here. So I'll just put up these stones here, and I just keep on shaking this, so that whatever my glitter is, it just revolves around a bit on the base. Okay, should come here, yeah, and this will come here like this. So my stones are at the bottom. I have already done the glitter work. Now I'm going to pour some glitter here. Okay, some just a tinge of glitter. Now here what I have is my clear resin. First I'm going to wear my gloves. This is mandatory, what you have seen in the first video, so please do follow those things. Okay, I'll just take up the excessive from the lid, and now I'll start pouring. So right now I'm going to pour it only on one of the base. Okay, and you can see how nicely it has started pouring up. Now I have not poured it completely. Why? Because I just wanted to add some more stones now. So I'm just going to spread out my gold stones, and this looks good. Now if I feel that my flowers have gone flat at the bottom, with this I'm going to just pick this up and bring it to the top of the stones so that it takes up the natural shape. Okay, So if I want, I can pick up some more stones and I can put it at the bottom of my first flower so that it does not look like a flat flower. Okay, and I'll pour in some more resin. So when I'm happy with the resin pouring, I'm just going to let it settle down like this. I'm not going to touch this at all. Now for the second one, we are going to mix our alcohol ink. Now I really like shiny and bright, so I just thought of using my green color. So here I will just add a drop of color. So I'll again wear my gloves and I'll hold the container. I'm just going to put a drop here and immediately I'll start pouring the resin. Okay, and can you see the beautiful color? Can you? I will just add a drop of color here and beautifully it is covering my mold. Now I'll just add one more drop of color on this side and it spreads beautifully. So let it be a natural flow so that you don't have to do too much of work on this, because they look, the more natural they are, the more they look beautiful. Okay, now on this I am going to add a bit of stones, just a tinge of stones. Now if you want to just shift your flowers, you can easily do this. Okay, like just in case if I want to shift it here a bit and turn this around like this, see, I could do that. And I'm just mixing my color a bit and this is done. So here what I'm preparing are two different variations. Now let us move to the third one. Now for the third one, here what I have is my resin. I already have my alcohol ink and here we will be just adding few drops of color and mix it well. Okay, once you mix it, you can see a beautiful color around, and that's the beauty of using your alcohol ink. And here I'll just take up a bit of glitter, just a tinge of glitter. If you want, you can add it to your alcohol ink also. I'll sprinkle some of the stones. Okay, I'm not adding any flower to this one because I want to have a nice and colorful hangings. Now I'll just add, so for this step you need to be ready with your resin. Okay, so I'll just pour a drop of color and immediately I'm going to pour in my resin. Okay, now can you see the natural color effect here? This looks amazing. Yeah, this looks really beautiful. Now for the fourth one, I know it's like just because I'm inside a closed room, it is like breathtaking for me now, but I love doing this, so I will do it. Now for the fourth one, I have taken up my golden color. I will take up some of the stones first. Then I'm going to take up this pale yellow color flower. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to pour the same resin. I just dropped a color of golden resin and I'm pouring in my golden color. Now again I pour some golden color and you will see that how beautifully it dissolves. Okay, and what you see is a beautiful masterpiece. This looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, you guys need to take care of how you are adding your colors. It's going to make a huge difference. Like if you see these three pieces, See, here the look and feel is different, here the look and feel is different, here it is completely different. Although I have used a lot of stones here, I have used a lot of colors here. So yeah, that these small things are going to make a lot of difference. So just do keep that in mind whenever you guys are planning for your resin thing. And yes, this is how it works out, and they are looking absolutely stunning. Now we are going to let it dry for 24 hours and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so this is day 2 and all of them have dried out well. I have not opened it till now because I wanted to show you how this looks after drying. They are looking super cool, and you can see how how the glitters have spread out. Okay, so let me start peeling this off, like taking this out of the mold. And gorgeous, yeah, this is a lot of glitter. So this is going to shine out when I hang it, and this is going to look great. So this is my piece 1. Oh my god, this looks amazing. And you can see the color, whatever was there, it is that only. It has not changed at all. So that's the beautiful way of restoring your old flowers. So all these flowers are from my garden, and of course me and my daughter, we all love it. So yeah, it is a precious memory to have. And you can see that how beautifully the color and the stones and the gold has stones have came out so well in this. Yeah, can you see these particles? They look amazing. And the last one, wow. So yeah, this is so nice, still clear, crystal clear, and it's going to shine a lot when I'm going to hang this. So yes, this is how you do your beautiful hangings with your alcohol ink, your DIY dried flowers, and of course your glitter and resin hardener. And yes, these are ready.